You've got such wonderful smile. I want you to smile all the while, people. Smile. If you are a African daughter, come from Paris or you're living in America, smiling countenance bring a little closer. But school face is a big, big disaster. Smile a while, give your face a rest. Raise your hands to the one you love the best and smile. All of your people, show your pretty teeth them and smile. Keep on smiling all the while. Come on and smile. All of your people, show your pretty teeth them and smile. No, I don't matter what's your nationality, color, class, race or creed. What is to be, just got to be. It's up to your people to face reality. So smile. All of your people, show your pretty teeth and smile. Keep on smiling all the while. Come on and smile. All of your people, show your pretty teeth and smile. Now you're feeling up, not feeling down. I drink them a lick them chalice pipe downtown, and I and two daughters sitting and reasoning about what is happening in life. I say, daughter, it don't matter if you're black or if you're white, as long as you are live up in a Jaja side. Just smile. All of your people, show your pretty teeth and smile. Keep on smiling all the while. Come on and smile. All of your people, show your pretty teeth and smile. We are all one flesh, one blood, no matter where we're from. To your fallen brother man on the street, extend an helping hand. Cause it is not all about your money, but it's about your dignity. So smile. All of your people, show your pretty teeth and smile. Keep on smiling all the while. Come on and smile. All of your people, show your pretty teeth and smile. Oh Lord. If you are a African daughter, come from Paris or you're living in America, smiling countenance bring a little closer. But school face is a big, big disaster. Smile a while, give your face a rest. Raise your hands to the one you love the best and smile.